though. Thinking by the feet, but I don't know, that might not be good. Let's try this. Perfect, just how I wanted it. Clamped. Yes, I got him. Nice, Star Trek. Sweet. Alright. I don't even know what else to go for. Maybe this rat back here. Probably get this penguin too. Just go for this rat thing. Maybe, I don't know. Yes, got it. Stay. 2 and 1 maybe? Ooh, 2 and 1. Oh, get in there. Come on. Oh, are you serious? Sweet. I'm gonna take a look at this Care Bear. Ooh, he might be doable. We'll see. I think I'm just gonna stop here though, guys, because there's just like nothing gettable. So almost got him off the wall. Ooh, I wonder if I could pick him up. Get off of there. Alright. Oh, shoot. Oh, wait. Oh, man. I didn't have enough time. I'll try one more. Every once for him, I might go for a generic too. We'll see. Gotta get this seal off the wall. Come on, get off it. Oh, flipped it around. Okay, I got 5 seconds. Let's try that, I guess. Oh, maybe, I don't know. Oh, Care Bear, stay. Oh, look at that. Dang it. I don't know, he might be difficult to win. Shoot, it stabbed. Wow, that was a horrible stab. Darn, I don't know, guys. Come on. Oh, so close. Alright. Use my ankles. Yeah. Looks pretty good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, grab. Yes, Care Bear. Stay in there. Oh. Are you serious? Oh, man. I'm gonna go for a few generics first. Just get these out of the way. Let's go for this hippo. Hippopotamus, maybe. Grab. Oh. I might go for this hogs and kisses pig. Just to see if try that. Perfect. Maybe. Oh my gosh, I offset that. Alright. Last dollar here, guys, and I'm done. Really want that Care Bear. Just to see if I can win it. Alright. Get off there. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, maybe. Shoot. Didn't. Dang it. That seal is like. Alright. Let's try this. Oh, shoot. Are you serious? Oh. Oh my gosh. Get this Care Bear. It's just seals. Crazy. Get off there. Maybe, oh, clamped. Yes. Stay. Yes, finally got the Care Bear. Sweet. Let's go for this. so gettable.
What's up, Sean? Cooking?
Maybe. Maybe that should have it. Yes. Oh, by the feet. By the feet. Nice. Raccoon. Sweet. Nice roll. Alright, last dollar. Alright, what's up, guys? I'm at this machine. It looks incredible. Got some really good licensed blush in here. This Betty Boops and Garfield are something I really want. And this hands thing, too. So, first thing, let's go for... Oh, let's just go for these hands. Kind of want them. Hopefully it doesn't hit him into the dead zone. Maybe, that should have him. Oof. Not Betty Boopo. Oh, wow. Darn it. Alright, I got this. Alright. Go right there. There, that should have it. Close. Yes, got it. Stay. Stay in there. Nice, got the hands. Sweet. Alright, let's go for this Betty. Maybe we can get it 2 in a row. We'll see. Maybe. Come on, grab. Yes, Betty, stay. Oh, dead zone. Darn it. Let's go one more time for her. She might not. Nah, she's not dead zone completely. Just gotta hook it in her. Oh, perfect. That should have it. Close. Yes. What? Oh, now it's in the dead zone. Hit that stupid gameplay hat. Oh man, would have been mine. Try it again, I guess. Oh shoot. Nope, she's like in the dead zone. That sucks. Headband there. Should be able to. Yes, it's in there. No, close. Oh, he's still gettable now though. Alright, let's try for the devil Garfield. Oh, shoot, I don't think so, no. Oh man, he looks dug in. Let's go for him again though. I want to see if I can rake this gameplay back. Ooh, I can. See if I can get him in there. Get in there. Oh, if I win something, it'll probably knock him in. Let's see. Come on. Grab. Grab fast. Oh. It's his head. Ooh, I think his tail is looped too. Go for him again. Oh. I don't know, because his head is like up, but you can't, it's hard to grab him by the head. One more time. Let's see. Maybe. Ooh, it clamped. Oh, darn. I don't know. See if we can just win this Garfield. Shoot. Stop that gameplay there. No, it's... Oh, frick. That just sucks. Alright. That really sucks. I don't even know if I can win him now. Come on. Oh. Oh, grab him. Oh, by the tail. Stay. Oh. So gettable. I got a few more ones. Actually, I think that's the one that doesn't work. Yeah. Alright. by the feet. Come on, by the feet. Grab its feet. Get it. Yes, by the feet. Stay in there, Garfield. Nice. First try. We got Garfield. Sweet. That's good. Maybe this skunk. Actually, let's go for this Betty over here. See if I can win her. Maybe. I don't know if it. That gameplay bears in the way.
Please wait for 50 to finish.
Maybe. Grab. Yes, got it. Uh-oh, stay. Stay. Oh, by the, dead zone. I don't think I have an iPod in it anyways. I wanted the pink one. Yeah, I think it's dead zone. I'll come back next week and get it. This one kind of looks like there's an iPod in it, but it's hard to tell. Oh, shoot, I totally missed it. Alright. I don't know. Shoot, maybe. Grab its chin. Oh, nah, this claw's too weak. I don't even want that. Let's go for this owl pillow. Maybe. Get it in there. Nice. Oh, stay. Yes, by the foot. That minion might be gettable. Let's try one more. And then we'll play the jewelry claw, I think. Let's see if this minion. Oh, maybe, that might. Come on, get in there. Oh. Ooh. Let's try one more. Maybe. Come on. Yes, got it. Stay. Oh, it's gettable. It's definitely gettable. If it spins right. Come on. Perfect. Maybe. Come on, stay. Oh. I'll scholar for this. Oh, shoot. Grab its foot. Grab its foot. Oh, so close. Man. Alright, hopefully we can go on here. Maybe. Oh, let's foot. Come on, get its foot. Oh, man. Alright, let's go for this Bilbo Baggins pop figure right here. Oh, shoot. Get in there. Oh, dang it. I don't think so. Nope. Alright. Alright, let's try it again. Now I need to go. Think about it. There's good. Oh shoot, I just missed it. Oh, I grabbed that. Oh, dang it. Try it again. Let's try it. Oh, yes, it's in there. Please, please, stay. Stay, get in there. Oh, yes! Bilbo Baggins pop figure. That is sick. Nice. It's been in here for a while, too. It's my second one, actually, so that's sweet. Can't believe I got that. Yes. Alright, let's see if we can get this prize 10 bag really quick and finish up the day here. I think it's her turn. Maybe I should have it. Yes, stay.
No, I don't have any money.
Nice. Good. Sweet. Alright. bag in and the prize time bag. It's a crappy bracelet. Come on. Feeling it, guys. This is feeling it. Get by foot. Go on, grab it. Oh, look at that. Oh, I don't want to do that. Alright. It's just about to melt down. Alright. Right there. Come on. Knock it down. Oh, are you serious? It's like not falling over. Let's try one more time. Alright. So about right. Let's go like right there, I think. Come on. Knock it over. Do something. It's like just about. I just need to fall over. Alright, that's last try. This is ridiculous. Come on, knock it over. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna try one more thing. This is it. Let's try right here. Oh, come on. Knock it. Oh, yes, I got it closer. Are you serious? It's taking me a while, but great, now I'm stuck. Oh, this is Canadian quarter. Alright. I was wondering, it's like, wait, what? Alright, let's try that. Alright, get in there, clamped. Yes, minion. Oh, you little. You're kidding me. Oh, wait. Close. Right. So, I guess I'll just try for it again. This is a Canadian quarter. No, I'm absolutely just. I'm just leave this here for someone. I don't know if that's. Yeah, let's just go for it. Should be able to win this. There, get in there. Finally, if that pulls it up, thank you. Alright, I'm done here. Finally get the mini. Alright, sweet. Purple mini. Maybe. Oh, maybe. Grab it. It's kind of dug in that corner there. I want this Gremlin too. That's cool. Alright, let's try for it again. If it's Garfield. Maybe. That might have it. Close. Yes. Oh, I dug them out just a tad. Alright, 7 tries. I'm gonna try for it one more time. I might switch over to the other Garfield if I can't dig them out in time. Let's see if I can get this butterfly pillow off too. We'll see. Alright. I'm gonna go for more of its like body down here. Oh shoot, it hit that stupid whatever you. Oh great. Let's try that. Oh Yes, it's in it. And hopefully it closes. Come on, stay. Garfield, stay. Uh-oh. Oh, man, right on my last try. Yes, it's in that loop. Stay 2 and 1. Oh, dang it. I want that ET thing. That's cool. They have the Gremlins figure too, so I don't know if they have the. They don't have the Gremlins figure. Oh, there's one back there. Oh, that's cool. It's like a Jack-in-the-Box Gremlin. Let's use my angles. It's gotta spin perfectly though. Could be kind of hard to do this. Oh, come on. Oh, no, I doubt it. Unless it gets it by the loop. Nope. Oh, now it's ungettable. Alright. Let's see. Let's see if we can get this honey badger don't care. I think finish up the day. Here. Alright. Let's try that. Usually picking up plush is pretty easy. That should have it. Yes, perfect. Really easy. Nice. Got the honey badger don't care. It's actually a YouTube video if you guys don't know. It went viral. It's kind of like, I didn't think it went viral enough to actually like make their own stuffed animals, but I mean it's pretty cool, I guess. It's like based on the National History or National, it's like the Discovery Channel or something. I don't even know. All right. Let's go a little bit over here. Before that grabs it. Oh, it's in the thing. Yes. Get in there, Yes, Garfield. Sweet. That's what I'm talking about. That was amazing. I don't know how that got in there. Wouldn't that be sweet if I got like a 2 in a row with this Valentine's Garfield? That'd be crazy. See if I can make it happen, guys. See, that donkey is in the way. That's kind of why. Spin the claws a little bit. I almost know for sure it's gonna stab that donkey, but oh wait, that might lift it up. Come on. Oh, it didn't do poop.
Hi there. Just one? Thank you.
Perfect. That should have it. Yes. Oh, stay. Oh man. I can get in there. Alright. Maybe if it grab his feet. Yes, got him. That's got him. Nice. Got Star Trek. Alright. Oh, thank you. Yeah, every once in a while I win, so. Alright, guys. Let's try the dollar call. I think he should be coming anytime now. The vendor should be here anytime, so. Just gonna play. Hopefully he'll get here when I'm playing. Oh, perfect, maybe. Come on. Stay. Oh. Man. So close, too. Perfect, maybe. Ooh, stay. Oh. Oh, man. Oof. One more, I guess. Last dollar. Alright. Let's see. Let's try that. Can make it a little bit. Let's try that. Maybe. Yes, stay. Got the horse. Oh, pretty cereal. Ooh. Okay. Last dollar. Alright. See if this dog is getting me back here soon. Alright. I'm going to break it in. 6 seconds. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Oh, stay, get. Oh. Alright, that's it. I don't really want it.
You know, the other guy goes around always. You got the kid. The guy with the kid, you know him? He goes around and plays the trains all the time.
You know what? I might have actually met him before.
Always here. I mean, they're almost. I mean, you got to where I put somewhere.
Really? He follows you around
He
too?
would be like right there. He knows my whole route and stuff.
Wow, yeah. I thought I was the only one, but I guess not.
He's here all the time, man. I'm
Really?
surprised you guys. I thought you might be related to him or something.
I might have seen him before. You know what? Because I went to one of the fries, and there was a dad and this kid that came up, and he seemed like he knew him pretty well too. So.
He seems maybe Asian a little bit.
Yeah. Like Mexican or something, maybe along those lines.
He's got a little kid. He's kind of thin, little boy.
Yeah. It was a while ago, but I do remember that.
Like, where I go, I look up. He's there.
Where else do you go? Like, what's some of the?
Man, you know, I got followed around by him, and I don't even. We're not allowed to tell anybody our routine, our routes, or anything, you know.
The way I find it is I have to go literally like every day to check when they're there, and then that's kind of how it goes. But that's the hard way. So. Yep.
It's uncomfortable to us, and our company don't like people knowing our schedule.
Right. I can see that. Yeah, and I have no problem coming even a day after. It's not like a big difference. So.
Yeah. You know when I'm here.
Yeah, I do. And I know you're here Monday too, right? Yep. Huh. Let's get $1 more. See if we can help her body. Oh, maybe it's in her hands. Close. Oh, get in there. Oh, so close. Man. Alright, let's try one more. Maybe. Oh, so close. Maybe that should have her stay. Oh, cereal. Get in there. There we go. That's got it. That should have it. What? Oh, come on, dude. Oh, man. It's taking me way too long to win. Alright. Just go right here, see if we can knock her in. Come on, get in there. Grab it. Jeez. I don't even know if I can win her. Alright, let's go right here. Maybe. Yes, get in there. Oh, yes, got Betty, finally. I'm gonna go on the other side and watch him. Oh, there we go, stay. Oh, it's gettable. I can get that. maybe I should have it. Come on. Yes, got it. Stay. Stay. Oh, yes. Got it. Sweet. I don't want to spend another $1. Alright, nice. Let's see if we can pick them up. Oh, maybe. Come on. I don't know if that peanut's gettable. Hope it is. This is like the only claw on all my locations that have a good has a good overbite. Kind of sucks. Let's try that. Shoot, it's stabbed. Oh no. Let's see. Yeah, I'll try 50 cents actually. That won't hurt. Right. Let's try that. Come on. Yes, perfect. Oh, I doubt it'll close it now. Actually, you know what? Maybe we'll go for this minion first. I may have to switch my camera because this one's sort of low on battery, so we'll see how that works. Perfect. Oh, too weak. Let's go for this owl. It might move him to a better position. This owl should be an easy win. Should be. Come on, get in there. Get in there. You're serious? Still stuck? Wow. It's crazy. Oh. Try for it again.
Are you gonna get him?
Right here. Yeah, I'll see if I can get this out. Or get him there. Yes, got him. Yep. See if we can get this one in. Oh, so close. Come on, grab. Oh, stay. Oh, so close. Let's try that. Perfect. Let's got it. Stay in there. Oh my god. Oh. No. Alright, let's try that. Perfect, that's got it. There we go. Got him. Stay. Nice. Got him. Sweet. I'm gonna try for this Garfield here. I don't have this one, so. You know what? Actually, I'm going to spin the claws. See if I can get it right in that headband if time doesn't run out on me. Get in there. Are you serious? Oh wow, it clamped though. It clamped really not well. Alright, it's still super gettable, so I think I can win it. They kind of have headbands like the Despicable Me Valentine Minions. Let's try that. Maybe. Clamp. Oh. Hit that duck. Let's try that. Oh, there we go. Closed. Closed. Nice. Garfield, stay. Sweet. Pucker up, Garfield. Nice. Oh, almost knocked that out. Owl, too. Let's see. This purse, owl is kind of gettable. Ooh, I want that minion. Alright. I'll try ones for this owl. I actually just got one in my last location, but I doubt it. Yeah, there's no way. But I think I'm gonna try one more, see if I can get these Valentine push in here. There's a Care Bear right here too. That's cool. They're really big though. Surprise, surprise. Let's try that. Oh, I think so. Come on, clamp it. Oh, wait. Stay, stay, stay. Oh, wow. Man. It was like halfway, it's sort of halfway in the dead zone, halfway not. I can't really reach it. Wait, that might have it. Get him. Nice, got him. Alright. I think I can win this. Let's try that. Get in there. Yes! Oh man. Oh. Darn it. Thought I had it. Alright, let's go for this little Webkins thing. Let's try that. Maybe. Stay. Got the little puppy. Nice. Stay nice. Got the little Webkins. I think that's it. Ow. Got the Webkins. Alright, I think I'm done. Actually, I'll try one more. Come on, come on. Stay. Nope. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh wait. Wait a second. It clamped. Oh yeah. Oh, are you serious? Okay. Just drop it right. Yeah. Perfect. That's got it. Stay out. Get in there. Oh. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh. Get in there. Get. Oh. Serious? Bro, this is like slidey. Are you serious? This better get it. No, please don't. Please, get in there, please. What? Alright, shaking this puppy in. Stop. Are you serious?